Jackson County in Florida, Central Holmes County in Florida, Northeastern Washington County in Florida, until 12:30 Central Daylight Time. At 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bonneville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chipley, Bonifay, Mariana, Graceville, Malone, Cottondale, Greenwood, Caryville, Westville, Campbellton, Richter Crossroads, Jacob City, Chipley Municipal Airport, Holmes County Airport, Blue Spring, Whitney, Cottondale Airport, Hiawatha, Jacob, and Chippewa Terrace. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued and Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Jackson, Florida. Listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH-24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee, Florida. The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by calling our automated forecast line at 850-942-8851. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jackson County in Florida, central Holmes County in Florida, northeastern Washington County in Florida until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.